Snoring can be a frustrating problem for both the snorer and their partner. QuietLab Plus claims to be a comfortable, effective, and adjustable anti-snoring mouthpiece that stops snoring at the source. But is it legit or just another gimmick? Let's take a closer look. What is QuietLab Plus? QuietLab Plus is an adjustable mouthpiece designed to prevent snoring by gently positioning the lower jaw forward, ensuring the airway remains open. Unlike nasal strips or other temporary solutions, this device directly targets the root cause of snoring, soft tissue vibration in the throat. Key features of QuietLab Plus: 25 adjustable settings, fully customizable to fit any bite comfortably. FreeBite technology allows natural jaw movement for comfortable breathing. Soft medical-grade materials, BPA-free and latex-free for safety. 98% success rate, most users experience snore-free sleep from the first night. 30-night money-back guarantee, risk-free trial with a full refund policy. Does QuietLab Plus really work? According to customer feedback, QuietLab Plus is effective for many users. Unlike nasal strips or mouth tape, which only address airflow issues, this mouthpiece works by preventing the airway from collapsing. It achieves this by gently moving the jaw forward, reducing soft tissue vibrations that cause snoring. While no product works for everyone, QuietLab Plus boasts a high success rate and positive reviews. Many users report improved sleep quality, reduced snoring, and better rest for both themselves and their partners. Pros and cons of QuietLab Plus. Pros: adjustable for a custom fit. Made from safe, medical-grade materials. No prescription required. 30-night trial with a money-back guarantee. Cons: may require an adjustment period. Not suitable for individuals with certain dental issues or TMJ. Is QuietLab Plus a scam? QuietLab Plus appears to be a legitimate anti-snoring device. It uses the same jaw positioning technology found in dentist-fitted oral appliances but at a more affordable price. With positive reviews and a risk-free guarantee, it's a safe option for those looking to stop snoring. GetQuietLab.com has a Trustpilot rating of 3.5 out of 5 based on 190 reviews, indicating mixed feedback from customers. Some users praise its adjustable anti-snoring mouthpiece for effectively reducing snoring, while others mention issues with fit, comfort, or customer service. Before purchasing, it's essential to check verified reviews and understand the return policy. With a moderate trust score, GetQuietLab.com appears to be a legitimate company, but experiences may vary. Always read customer feedback carefully to determine if the product meets your needs. Looking for alternatives? Compare similar options to find the best anti-snoring device for you. If you've struggled with snoring and other methods haven't worked, QuietLab Plus is worth trying. With its adjustable settings, medical-grade materials, and money-back guarantee, it offers an effective and affordable solution to help you sleep soundly.